Welcome to the channel, and today we are going to discuss about the charging system. The charging system is mainly concerned with the alternator, and some of the causes in the charging system include no charge, which is caused by faulty or discharged battery or damaged battery. Low rate of battery charge, can be caused by loose wiring connection to the battery, discharged battery, or corroded terminals. Noise can be caused by loose alternator pulley or loose mounting to the alternator itself. And we are asked to describe a procedure of overhauling an alternator. As I said earlier, the mandatory four points you should write. Check my previous videos to get to know these mandatory 4 points that you must write before starting with the procedure. You're supposed to measure the battery voltage by a voltmeter, that is 12.6 volts. And note that here the tools required are voltmeters, spanners, wires, etc. Measure the battery voltage, which should be by a voltmeter, which should be 12.6 volts. Start the engine and allow it to run using the same voltmeter to measure the battery voltage by connecting it properly. The voltage should be 14.2 volts. Switch all the vehicle accessories and record the voltage. It should drop to about 14.0 volts. 14.0 volts. Carry out voltage drop test by connecting the positive lead of the voltmeter to the alternator body and the negative lead to the negative lead of the voltmeter to the battery negative terminal. Should be around 0.5 volts. Check for loose connections, corroded terminals, etc. Locate the alternator. Then the removal. The first procedures we are trying to test is the alternator bad or good. If you find it's bad, then you should follow this. Locate the alternator. Loosen the alternator pulley by use of a spanner, pulling it towards the front of the car. Remove all the electrical connections, marking them for easy installation. Remove all the bolts holding the alternator by a spanner, the correct spanner. Ensure the alternator to be replaced is identical to the one you are replacing. Tighten all bolts, connect all electrical connections. Connect the tensioner pulley by pulling it towards the back. Replace the negative terminal of the battery. Start the car and check for display warning lights. Do the costing and carry out road test to ensure the alternator is working. Subscribe to the channel and look forward for more tutorials.